In a dense forest lived Rambo, a sleek black cobra. Known as the silent ruler, his presence instilled fear. Rabbits froze, monkeys fell silent. His venom had felled many, even a mongoose. Rambo grew arrogant, seeing himself as a god. But time wore on. Rambo grew older. A terrible drought hit the forest. Prey became scarce. Rambo struggled. Weak, he found a large anthill. A grand structure buzzing with life. Rambo saw opportunity. This will be my home. Ignoring the ants, he entered. He slept peacefully the first night. The queen was informed. But the ants had plans. They began their attack with strategy, not fury. Rambo jerked awake, annoyed. By the second night, ants burrowed around him. They weakened the structure. Rambo realized the danger. The tunnels collapsed, ants swarmed. His venom useless against thousands. By morning, the mighty snake was no more. When the rains came, the forest bloomed again. The ants rebuilt their home, stronger than ever. No predator dared underestimate unity. Pride comes before a fall. Even the mightiest fall to the smallest when they work together.